Now I continue with the design of the bathroom. So for the design of the bathroom, I'm going to erase this part and this part. Going also to erase this part like this. And here I can also erase this part like this. And I go on 3D warehouse. And I can tap first shower. And on shower, I can take, for example, this shower. Then download inside the SketchUp model. Now here is a component. Going to reduce our first. I'm going to create a rotation tool. I go like this on the right component. Now here blue X. I take this point and I create a rotation 90 degrees. Then scale tool and I reduce. And after I'm going to place that, so I'm going to take this point and I'm going to go here. So I can take like that. I take scale tool and then scale tool. I can first to go like this. Then going to check something on face. Then I'm going to take this point and on face also. And here I'm going to go like this. Here I can reduce little. So it's okay for the shower, or maybe it's too much, can reduce little. Just going to check with, here I have 70 centimeter, it's not bad. Maybe I can increase little like this. So it's okay for that. Now I come back on 3D warehouse. And this time I'm going to tap so I can tap sync and for example I can choose why not something like that. Or maybe I have too much polygon on this example, so I'm going to find something with little bit less polygons. this also have probably many polygons. Says 60,000, so it's a little too much. So I'm going to select this component. So I take this component, first I'm going to go here, rotation, and I'm going to take blue X, this point and this point, and I turn 90 degrees. Then I'm going to place this on my bathroom, so I take the endpoint like this, and I'm going to place. For example, like that. Here it's too big, so I need to change the size. So I go on Scale Tool, and I can take this point to reduce like that first. Then I can take this point like this, and then this point like that. Here it's look good. Okay. Like this. Then I'm going also to add toilets, 3D warehouse. And I type toilet. And I add this component, and I'm going to place that. So I withdraw, I go here like that. First things to do, rotation. So rotation tool, I take blue X like this point, and I'm going to turn 90 degrees like this. Then scale tool, and I reduce like that. I'm going to go outside first, scale tool, like this. Then I'm going to take this point at the end, and I pull this to place. I take this point, and I'm going to go like that. Going to check. For this it's okay. Now I'm going to check something, so I take my measure tool, and here I have 63, so it's not bad, and also I can check here, I have 57, or maybe it's too big here, so I can take again scale tool, and I can reduce, for example, like this. And maybe I can make something bigger like this, and it's okay. Maybe I'm going to reduce the size of this. I'm going to take my measure tool. Here I have 1.20 m, so it's too much. I need to take this part and to reduce like this. So it's okay for that. Then I'm going to add material on the wall and material also on the floor. So on the floor I'm going to add special tile, so I can select, for example, why not this tile, like this. Or here, if I want to apply this only on this part, I need to turn and I need to add a line. So I take the line tool and I need to add something like this. Like that. Then I'm going to click on the face, right click and erase. After this I can add my element, so it means that I'm going to go here and I can select, for example, just this, like that. If I want to change little the color, I can go on the plus, and if I want to have things with little blue, I can change like that. And after I can integrate this like this. But I think in wise color the rendering was good, so I'm going to stay like that. I'm going also to add material tile on the wall, so I go also on tile, and I'm going to select, for example, tile navy like this, and I'm going to go like at this level. But it's too dark, so I go on plus, and I'm going to add a blue, but like this. It's better. I'm just going to change something, so just about I just would like to change something. No, it's okay. So I'm going to stay like that. So I remove that, and now it's okay for the bathroom also.